Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I started this woodworking business. And it all started with my bike park. So this is my bike park. I haven't, this project was about 4 years ago that I just started doing just for fun in this little piece of bush. But yeah, it's kind of run down now. I haven't used it for a very long time, but this was kind of a starting ramp I built. But this was, yeah, just for mountain biking. We got jumps, and this was a trail, but it's all grown in quite a bit now. But it was pretty good back in the time. But again, my goals with all of this was to use the least, put the least amount of money I could into it. This meant not buying a lot of lumber and stuff like that. See, I have yeah, that one has a tree totally on top of it. But some of the ways I would do that is, see, lots of my boards here. These boards, I hand split and plane, and with the jointer, all my with some help to, and it's making boards like these that's got me to be able to fund this place. And then later, as I got into bigger projects, a friend would saw up bigger planks just freehand with the chainsaw mills, with a chainsaw, just freehand. So that would be like pieces like this here, right? Just junky poplar. Most of it was just meant for casing and stuff like this, for like this landing here. But that's sort of, so I had all this kind of planks, live edge planks that were just ripped with a chainsaw. They're about 3 feet long. I still have some of those planks. Here are some, for example, just stuff like this. And then there's some over here too, just like this. And here are some of the planks I would make just with wedges for the bike park, just from little spruce around here. But then after seeing that, one of the pieces, the one piece looked quite nice, so I decided to make a bench out of it. And that's when I started using epoxy, because this is just poplar, and it wasn't the epoxy strengthens it and stuff like that. And the bench, it was all right. It was with basic tools, so it was pretty basic. But I sold it for $240, and I was very happy with that. And so that was about 3 years ago. And ever since then, my grandpa's helped me a lot with teaching me things and letting me use some of his tools. He's pretty big into the woodworking art as well. But ever since then, I seen a lot of money and potential in it, with just, especially when I'm in a little bit different niche. I have my own thing of using epoxy to top it, and the live edge, and with poplar. Nobody ever usually uses poplar and stuff like that. So ever since then, I've been doing it for 3 years now, but usually just for 2 months a year, just in the fall time, I usually make about 8 tables for the Christmas market. That's all I really do. But this year, I'm trying to really grow the business. So that's where the woodworking business is now. That was my woodworking journey and how I first started it. I first started with a bike park, and then it led into the furniture side of things. And I've just always kind of liked working with wood and stuff like that. But this year, I want the business to last through the winter as much as I can, and really try to grow it. And maybe my goal would be to get a full-on sawmill operation here. That would be nice, and just build it into a bigger business, just for myself. But thanks for watching, and that's my woodworking journey. Now I have the shop, which the shop was I guess the shop's been there the whole time, but I have accumulated tools throughout the years. But again, I really inexperienced. I only have about 6 months in the actual furniture business, and that's not even a really full 6 months. It's been like here and there. But this is like the first full 2 months that I've worked on it. But thanks for watching, and please subscribe.